Hello everyone, welcome to MS English Planet, where learning English becomes fun and easy. I'm Sophia, your English teacher. Hope you are all well and good. Always try to practice with me because practice makes a man perfect.
And I am Jack, your friendly student who asks all the silly questions so that you don't have to.
That's right, Jack. Today, we're going to learn how to speak English confidently at the doctor's clinic.
Oh no, I don't like doctors. Every time I see a needle, I feel faint.
Don't worry, Jack. We're not going to give you any injections. We're just going to practice real life English you can use when visiting a doctor.
Oh, phew, that's a relief. Okay, I'm ready. Let's begin.
Part 1. Making an appointment. Alright, Jack, let's start from the beginning. If you feel sick, the first thing you need to do is make an appointment.
So, I can't just walk into the clinic and say, "Hey, I'm sick, help me."
Well, that would sound funny, but it's better to call first. Let's learn the polite way. As receptionist. Good morning, City Health Clinic. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith, please.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I've been having a bad headache for the last 2 days.
I see. Would you like to come in tomorrow morning or afternoon?
Tomorrow morning would be great.
All right. Dr. Smith is available at 10:30 a.m. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Jack Thompson.
Thank you, Mr. Thompson. We'll see you tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Don't forget to bring your ID and medical card.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Perfect, Jack. That's exactly how you make an appointment in a polite, natural way.
Yeah, and I didn't even have to scream, "Help me."
Good job, Jack. Now, let's move to the next step. Checking in at the clinic. When you arrive at the clinic, the first person you meet is usually the receptionist.
Right, the one behind the big desk with a computer.
Exactly. Let's practice how that conversation goes. Hello, do you have an appointment today?
Yes, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10:30.
Great. Can I have your full name and date of birth, please?
Hmm, my name is Jack Thompson and my date of birth is March 2000.
Thank you. Please take a seat. The doctor will call you shortly.
Thank you very much.
Good job. That's how you check in politely. Remember these useful phrases. I have an appointment with Dr. Name at time. My name is your name. Thank you very much.
That's easy. And while waiting, I can scroll my phone, right?
Yes, but keep your phone on silent. Don't forget, it's a clinic, not a concert. Part 3. Talking to the doctor. Now, Jack, the doctor calls you in. What do you say first?
Good morning, doctor.
Exactly. Always greet politely. Then the doctor might say something like, "Hello, Jack. What brings you here today?"
I've been having a bad headache and sore throat for 2 days.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a mild one, around 99 degrees.
Are you taking any medication?
I took one painkiller yesterday, but it didn't help.
Okay. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
All right. Let me check your temperature and throat. Please open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
That was loud. You don't need to scare the doctor, Jack.
Sorry, I thought it should be dramatic.
It should be calm and polite, like, ah. Now, the doctor will probably say something like, your throat looks a bit red. You have a mild fever. It seems like a common cold.
And what should I say?
You can respond with, is it serious? Do I need any medicine? How long will it take to recover?
Okay, so if the doctor says you have a common cold, I can say, oh, that's a relief.
Perfect! And then the doctor might give you instructions. Take this medicine twice a day after meals. Drink plenty of water. Get enough rest.
Got it. I'll try not to watch late-night movies while I'm sick.
That's a good idea. Now, after visiting the doctor, you go to the pharmacy to buy your medicine.
Right. That's where all the bottles look the same and I get confused.
That's right, but you can ask politely for help. As a pharmacist, good afternoon, how can I help you?
Hi, I have a prescription from Dr. Smith. Could you please give me these medicines?
Sure, please wait a moment. Here you go. Take 1 tablet after breakfast and 1 after dinner.
Thank you. Do I need to take it before meals or after?
After meals.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
Excellent. That's how you speak politely and clearly. Part 5. Practice section. Okay, Jack, now it's practice time. I'll say the doctor's line and you'll reply. Ready?
Ready?
What seems to be the problem?
I have a cough and sore throat.
How long have you had it?
For about 3 days.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, a slight fever and body pain.
All right, take this medicine twice a day, drink warm water and rest.
Thank you, doctor.
Good job, Jack, and for everyone watching. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me at home. I would like to make an appointment. I have a headache. I don't feel well. Can I see the doctor today? Do I need to take any medicine? Pause this video and practice aloud. Now, come to the conclusion of whole conversation. Well done, everyone. Now you know how to speak English confidently at the doctor's clinic.
Yeah, from calling for an appointment to getting medicine, I'm officially a healthy English speaker now.
That's great, Jack. Next time, we'll learn how to speak English at the railway station. Repeat, another very useful topic.
Oh, wow, that's going to be exciting.
In our next class, we'll learn how to speak English at the railway station, how to buy a ticket, ask for train timings, and talk politely while traveling.
See you next class.
Yes, so don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to MS English Planet for more fun and easy English lessons.
See you next class.
Yes, so don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to MS English Planet for more fun and easy English lessons.